clean the chlorinator after you replace the O-ring?
Like,
obviously the O-ring was gunked up and it wasn't sealing.
Okay, so the O-ring, well, if you're asking me how to clean the inside of the canister, I don't have a good idea for you. And because what happens with is in time, you have all that very acidic chlorine, because those chlorine pucks run a pH of 2 or 3, and then depending on where you buy them from is whether or not they just fall apart right away or cause any other issues. If you're having issues with flow going through the chlorinator, then I mean you can replace the valve in there. But if you're just talking about cleaning the buildup inside of there, to be completely honest, I've never actually done it. When that stuff ends up getting built up and whatnot is just when it comes time, or we just end up replacing it.